Hey everyone, in today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your Spotify widget to match your style. Let's get started. First of all, open your Play Store, then download this app. After that, once you have found the Spotify widget, press and hold then drag it to your home screen and scroll down and find Widgets app and choose the style which you want from here. Then you will see here background color. Then edit the background color or even the font. Once you are happy with the changes, save the widget design and it should update on your home screen. And that's it. You have now customized the color of your Spotify widget. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.